center, and I'm particularly interested in your view about the turnout of voters today. Would you say there is apathy, there is scare that the heavy military presence might scare people from not coming? Do you see that affecting anything?
Well, let me say this. I want to commend the security agencies for doing a wonderful job. It's been peaceful all through. And the turnout has been very impressive. The presence of the military or policemen is to ensure that there is security and people are encouraged to go and vote. Our state is known for peace. And I don't see why voting, which is a normal process, should create any issues at all. So I'm impressed, and I believe that we're achieving the same kind of peace.
Yes, I'm glad.
So I don't see much of a problem. Yeah, I must commend the civil agencies.
Okay.
And I thank our people.
You are alive.
I thank our people for coming out en masse to vote for their candidate, which I believe will be our candidate anyway. So this is a progressive state, and particularly here, there is no reason why people will not come out. We've actually enjoyed the dividend of democracy all over the state, and people are yearning for a change. So the most appropriate thing is for them to come out en masse and vote, so that they can have a way of confirming that this is the kind of government that they want. It's a normal process of 4 years, so they should not miss this opportunity. So I think it's okay. Thank you.
Sir, what are your expectations, sir?
My expectation is that we are going to win. My candidate is winning by the grace of God. Kí wọ́n ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ kí wọ́n lọ dìbò ní àní jàgídíjàgan. Ìpínlẹ̀ ọmọlúwàbí la wà àti ṣe oníwàhálà. Orúkọ tí wọ́n fẹ́ fún wa yẹn ń ṣe tiwa. Gbogbo wa ká jáde ká dìbò wa ká dẹ̀ padà sílé. Ká dẹ̀ gbà pé tí Ọlọ́run bá ní yóò débẹ̀ ló máa débẹ̀. Ọlọ́run nìkan ló ń fìyàn sípò. Ẹ ṣé. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.